All right, here we go. I hope you guys are ready. I'm about to take my drone. Now that you can see, I flew it right over myself. Boom. Now I'm walking. I just wanted to show you guys the trail. This is what it looked like. This is on my phone. This is an iPhone. I'm just watching. This is the actual trail right down on the ground. Looks pretty nice, pretty good, right? All right, now we're about to take liftoff. Bam. We're up in the sky, and we're only gonna go higher. Keep going. Here we go. We're still going. Keep going. Now we sped it up just a little bit so I didn't take as much time. Just like the rest of the video. There we go. Now you see pretty much everything around me. Still going up. Still going up. And bam. There we go. Now we're gonna go up this mountain. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right over the edge. I'm gonna check it out. There's a trail that goes right to a point on it. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but on this point, there's gonna be a triangle built little design rocks. And that's what people did whenever they hiked up there. Now it's gonna be right at the top. You probably don't see it. I don't see it on the video, but it's there. Right here, I dropped it low. Look at it. Nice. All I did was speed it up on the video. We're traveling all the way through the mountains at top speed right now. I feel like I'm in a jet. Now watch this turn around. Bam. Check it out. Boom. Zoom in. Pow. What are we gonna do now? So right now we're coasting. And if I'm correct, I think that we are coasting all the way to the driveway. Here we go. Trail looks perfect. Nice day out. Little bit of wind, but the DJI Mini SE handles perfect. It has a 5-star rating on wind resistance. Now look at how good this looks right here. Look at the cars. Look at the trails. If you guys ever been here, if you guys ever plan on going here, you can watch this video and literally find out where the trails lead to. Now don't get me wrong, they all go to the same place. I'm pretty sure there's an end spot over there, but it's like a 5-6 mile hike. Thanks for watching my video, y'all.